morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So, coming in. Hold up. Looks like, we are making some moves down. Looks like, we got some kind of movement here. So, oh, hold up. What's time? Let's see if we get any confirmation here. Let's go to a 5. Good morning, Naomi. Hey, Chase. Hey. I'm still trying to recover from my run. Uh, this seems like a lot to be happening right at me getting back to the charts. Hold on, what's going on here? All right, so yeah, just for simplicity's sake, right now I'm gonna be mostly paying attention to the SPY. Looks like might have grounds for. Actually, hold up, we're actually approaching a level where I think we could pick up, like and actually reverse. So I actually want to see if we can get there and see how you respond. Oh yeah, let's see, cause we're at the 4-hour 48. So we might have a reversal in order, especially like if we come to this 617.89. I'm looking at a call. Mom, good morning. I'm doing well, Naomi. How about you? D Scurv, top of the morning. RGTI. Honestly, on the cool, like this, all this movement going on right now. Hey, I'll pull it up right here. But oh, hold up. Rigetti. Oh yeah, that's having a day. My goodness. But yeah, it's like just coming to the charts. I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm like, okay. Couldn't wait a couple extra minutes for me. Frank, top of the morning, APLD. Oh yeah, we do have it right here. It's chilling a little bit. APLD is chilling, but yeah, we got it up. But yeah, SPY, I think we could actually buy up right here. Now that I realize on the 4-hour, oh wait, wrong chart. Now that I realize on the 4-hour we're at this 48 EMA, I think we can sweep this liquidity, and I think we can get some kind of move back to the upside. Might go for another 0 DTE. Yesterday's went kind of well. It didn't go to the target I said, like I think I said like 525. It went like just below that, but I still took profit. Anella, top of the morning. All right, so we got a little pullback. I'm gonna start looking. Where's my phone? Oh, I'm gonna start looking at some options. One second, y'all. I'm still watching, but I gotta give my wife something. All right, we back. So yeah, once again, hey, let's try to get it. All right, let's. Come to the SPY. Yeah, we're selling off, but I don't think this will be too long lived. All right, good morning, bro. Was on call in SPY and took big L. I'm probably about to take a call on the SPY on the cool. I'm starting to feel better about starting the stream at this time. All right. Okay. Hey, looks like hey, we're pretty close. Let's see. Come on. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. Henry, good morning. New here and to the channel. What are we doing? So I am looking. I'm about to on the cool. I'm about to get a 0 DTE on the SPY. I'm looking at calls. We got like a double dip on the RSI on the lower time frame. Hold up, let me. Yeah, I came to the charts today and it was just ready to make stuff move today. See if we get our entry. I'm not going to be able to show the exact contract, but I can show it as if I was getting it tomorrow. So we'll see the difference between today's contract and tomorrow's contract if we end up coming to hit that level. Natasha, good morning. Top of the morning. We'll see if we do it. Hey, Big Reg, top of the morning. Buddha Deb, good morning, good morning. Oh, D Scurv, on the day. Hey, we're back to the 13 EMA on the 10 on Rigetti. Hey, it might be ready to load up. Oh shoot, hold up. If you watched the watch list this morning too, AMD's pulling back to a good area for calls too. That might actually be a good swing. What I'm looking at today is a trade. Moo, yes, this is live. This is live. Yeah, right now it is currently 10:39 a.m. in Texas. If your time lines up with that, yeah, we are live. But yeah, that's definitely a good question to ask. Is this live? Yeah, we're very live right now. And let me get a closer look at AMD. See if we swept it or not. Yeah, AMD looks like it's good to go. Here, we'll add that to the watch list. SPY hasn't done it yet. So real quick, watch list trade. I'm not gonna take it, but I think this is a really good trade. Depending on how expensive the contracts are. What's today? All right, so there's a 155 call. What's that? 153. Yeah, so under $100, 157.5. Delta's 25. I like that. I'm gonna add that to the watch list. So yeah, we added it when AMD was at 153.50. Wait, what is? Oh, wrong one. This one. So yeah, there we go. I like calls on AMD. Oh, we're actually kind of late on those too. Had we got in at a better time. Yeah, we got in there. We wanted to get in here, but let's see if the SPY goes for it. But AMD, I would look for this to at least make that move. It doesn't have to be today with the AMD. Hey, nice to see your characters, Moo. And AMD through earnings on a call already. I think that's a really good call too. I just saw this price action in the pre-market. It out like anybody who watched the watch list video this morning. That's when I said, yo, if we get a pullback there, I really like that for calls. Right, let's slide this over a bit. We're right there. Oh, may not quite be time for calls on the SPY, or maybe, I don't know, we'll see. You said check out MU. What's going on with MU? What kind of lens am I looking at MU with? I see it selling off. Advanced AI chip demand likely to aid Taiwan semiconductor sales. Yeah, I see it selling off. But I don't know what the lens is. You said maybe a call? Here, let's see. It's like I try not to overload myself with like the stocks I'm looking at. So it's like I had already got my semiconductor. Uh could be. I mean, there's liquidity here. I would say this isn't as obvious as the AMD move though. So yeah, I would say it's possible. I would definitely I would for sure want more time. That's all I would say for that. It probably is like if you get a couple weeks on it, I think this is a good level. It's over. It's pretty much oversold. It appears to be in a demand zone. Yeah, I think it's a good move. The AMD just has a little more hype and steam, so it's like I think the volatility might go a little wilder before that. You said SPY plummeted before. I'm down a lot. I'm sorry to hear that. Um, the games that the market likes to play in the morning is why I started to why I said I think I like the streams better at 10:30. And today kind of reminded me of that because it's like when if I'm here, I'm going to be looking for I'm gonna be looking for stuff and it may not even be there. So it's like oh, I'm less likely to get tricked if I come in during a slower time of the day. It's like if the market typically when the market moves during this day, it's actually like the moves are more predictable. Whereas that open, yo, there's like a barrage of things I can get hit with. So taking a look at that watch list, AMD is already up 12%. Entered at 153.50. I think we can ride it to at least 156. Um, Very welcome, Manila. Like AMD better. Hey, yeah, and this it's like I'm not like necessarily the biggest advocate of like quick day trading, but like MU is more my style. But if I'm gonna be on stream, I think I do like the quicker setups, like trades that can be achieved in like maybe an hour or two, if not like a few minutes. Yo, I guess the SPY already kind of did its thing. It looks like it's already kind of like it's already reacted. Let me get in here and get a look. Maybe I should have took AMD. Oh, actually, I don't know. We'll see if it makes another move back. Today I've been fine. Hey, I'm glad to hear you've been fine. Not getting blown up or anything. It's always good. Let's see if we can make you great, make you amazing, make you exuberant, feeling good. But definitely nothing wrong with fine. Wait, where we at? Yeah, it's annoying when they just barely. Let's see if we can get another move down. All right. Can I start day trading with $50? You can But I will say, like, if you're trying to grow it, I'm gonna say odds are you won't. I'm not gonna say you can't, but odds are you won't. And then, well, you might grow it for a little bit, but then you might get used to. People usually get big heads and then they blow it up. But it's like, I don't know, you could be built different. But it's like, it's something you can do, it's just hard to do. It's like, I got a video that I recorded yesterday, need to edit today, so I want to get it up by tonight. And it's about the trade I took yesterday. I used $53. So it's like not quite 50, but it was like 50 to 100 or 53 to 100. So it can be done. It's just not easy. Like even me trying to do it with the 200, I end up getting a big head and mess it up. Are you in on AMD? I just put it on my watch list. I didn't take the trade. But I'm watching it like I took the trade. Let me actually set an alert up here real quick. All right, let's see. Okay, I need an amazing day. I've had 8 green days, 2 reds yesterday. Was my second red day. I know how you feel. Yesterday actually had a solid day yesterday, but yeah, I know how you feel. Um, Tom, good morning. Everybody wishing y'all all the success upon y'all. Your greatness. Hey, appreciate the energy, Tom. Hey, much success to you too. Yep, we're all in this together. Check in on the AMD. It's up 30%. If I were just like looking for a quick trade, quick scalp, I would say that's solid. Let's see. Did a Bank of America cost 11, closed at 50? It's possible. Nice. Black and Wild, good morning. Had to come. Hey, glad you came back. Missed you too. AMD just released news. It's crazy how they kind of get right on time with that. AMD price target raised to 175 per share from 130 by Bank of America. Y'all, for watch list purposes, we're actually going to swing this trade until Friday. I'm going to end up wishing I took this trade. Honestly, I might just need to take it. Let me, yeah, I might just need to take the trade on AMD. What was I? Nah, I gotta wait. My funds are still on hold in my account. Oh, don't forget my rating scale. Yo, I got in here, I started the stream, my shirt wasn't even on. I was like, I was like, let me just get here. I'm like, it's 10:30. My workout was kind of long today, or at least the run part. I still gotta like actually lift later today. But let's see. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green, break even. All right, let's see. There's the poll is in. Hey, while you're doing the poll, hey, be sure to smash the like button as well. But let's see. Matthew, thanks for sharing, bro. Well, hey, no problem, no problem. Like, I'm just here trying to, I don't know, cultivate a family, little community. It's in my mouth. Oh, it's like an oak. Also, top of the morning. What time so right now I'm coming in at 10:30 Central Time, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. I feel like it's a better time to kind of catch trades. It's like I like the kind of chill just talking time, but I feel like when it comes to like being on the lookout for things and being responsible with trades, I feel like it's a better time to actually kind of take them. Because there is a morning move, but I'm not the best at catching those morning moves, or at least, like, unless I am specifically watching one stock, I'm not good with catching morning moves. Anella took the AMD trade. Hey, good stuff. Great timing on that news, AMD. Hey, for real. I feel like they do that with I feel like it's all orchestrated. Like, I think it's all orchestrated. They're like, okay, liquidity has been taken out. Release the news. And then, they drop the news, and it's like, oh yeah, push the price back up. Algorithms, do your thing. Yeah. What y'all thinking? Calls? I like upside. Super PP. I see AMD to the downside. I'm personally going to disagree, respectfully disagree. But it's like it could have a pullback. It's like kind of consolidating down if you look at it, but I don't see too much downside on AMD at the moment. Always liking, never lurking. Operation avoid Alcatraz. Hey, we gotta figure out what our new. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed at the SPY right now. Sometimes this happens. Like, it didn't necessarily take out that liquidity. It didn't even come to the same level as the liquidity. Sometimes it comes just above, and it'll do that. Let me see what the contract. You're lying. I'm annoyed a little bit. Or I was looking at a 620 call that expired today. It was like 73 cents per share. It's already $2.50 per share. That's kind of wild. But that just goes to show, like, I think, like, if I'm actually going to be helpful to the people like watching this, I think 10:30 is our time, because that trade was like the trades I'm able to get here, like just on the day to day. I think this is the time. Like, we actually probably could have like ended the stream right there, even with the AMD. It's ran 43%. I was like, I'm able to catch better stuff at this time, or at least like when it comes to like day trades. So I'm so annoyed with the SPY. Um, One thing though, it could face some resistance here. I don't know. I think it's already here. Let me go back. See that old liquidity. Nah, that came from here. Let's go to 1 hour. Nah, unfortunately, I think this thing is gonna push. Like just looking at it from where it came from, it's like if I took this on a 4 hour, I would expect this. Wait, actually, hold up. So over here. No. So yeah, I would probably if I took this on the 4 hour, like my like final get out area, it's like if it came here like right after I got in, I would consider taking profits now. But like my final, I'd be looking at like this 626 level. Probably not on the day. Like day trade wise, I'd be out of it. But like if I entered a trade, I had 2 weeks on the SPY. I was like I'd be looking at getting out right here and then just doing the thing. We don't need to bring Alcatraz any closer. All right. No, we do not. All right, let's see. Trend is your friend. Calls all day until proven differently unless you trade in a range. Hashtag dangerous. Low key on the day, or at least on the 15 minute, we do kind of have like a little downtrend action right here on AMD. Let's see if we can get an actual breakout. But as of right now, we'll see. We will see. That'll be something we watch out for on AMD. I already took AMD to the downside. This morning closed at the hammer at the top or at the bottom on the swap. Hey, nice. More pushes, the better it will work for me. Mid-morning, like 29th, what I'm M-Sense, I apologize to tell you. I would say you probably missed the trades, like the solid money trades. So I called out one on AMD, and then I personally I didn't take it, but I personally missed one on the SPY. It could come back around. Like it's very well a possibility that it comes back around on the SPY. But I would say I'm kind of doubtful that it will in this time. It could, but I'm doubtful. But let's see. Why are you starting later lately? I'm sure I missed something. I look every day. Okay, so I start at 10:30 Central Time every day now, so like 30 minutes. And that's just because the market moves crazy at market open. There are trades to be had there. I'm not really that good at really hopping on them and like finding them. And I feel like I can kind of, like when it comes to finding trades and having the setups ready and whatnot, this is around the time when the setups are here. This is when I feel we can get the most value out of the streams. This one, so that's why I've been going at this time, and I think I might leave it at this time because it's like I feel like I'm wasting less time. I don't know. But on the cool, I'm gonna let y'all know I feel like I didn't necessarily take a trade myself, but I feel kind of satisfied a little bit. Like I may be kind of done for the day. I don't know. Is Oracle breaking out for? Here, let's see. Oracle. Where's my mouse? Oh, there we go. I would say potentially. I would want to see it get above this high of day. Yeah, I would want to see it like confirm above this 236.40 area. I would say potentially though. Rigetti's doing this thing though. Hey, be more. Oh yeah, happy to have you back. Bring your friends. We've been hey trying to avoid Alcatraz, but I know it's like easier for people at open, kind of. But yo, it is what it is. I don't know. And a BBAI call paid 15 down to 13. Didn't know it was. Oh, that's very annoying. Those 5 cent increments. Which BBAI call did you get? Where's BBAI? Oh, it really hasn't moved actually. It's still like in that same range from yesterday. Dang. Okay, I see it went crazy at open. This is it. So be more. This is exactly why I don't why I moved the stream back, cuz I don't know, everyone like overwhelmingly brings my attention to things. And it's like I kind of like I get too excited at market open. So I gotta, yeah, MSense. I'm not really sure what to say about that. Let me look at it on a 4 hour. It might be a little bit clearer to me. Uh, right now it's still in a downtrend. It's like yeah, it's still making lower lows and lower highs, and like as of right now, it hasn't like closed higher. It did wick up, but that's just a wick. That's almost like permission for it to continue going down. So I personally would consider sending that somewhere else. It's like they like to move stuff to draw everyone into it, and then once everyone gets drawn into it, they like to move it the other way. Any chance that SPY shoots up looks like it's trying to. So yeah. So I think it can continue. I'm not sure about today itself. It might have some pullbacks. I don't know how long this straight trend will go. I think it could go until it's like overbought on the 5. That might be when I consider. There's also like a 5-minute supply zone up here, so it's like maybe yeah, next kind of level, if it gets above this 22 and holds, I'll say next kind of area will be looking at like 23.30 or so. But yeah, it looks like we're making moves. And then that AMD call update on that. Okay, it's still chilling around 40%. But now it's looking like it's actually going to what is it? It's looking like it's actually trying to like confirm above, but once again we're on the 5, so we'll see. All right. What did you guys think of that huge PAL firing announcement today? Um, so I saw a little something about, like, I just see headlines. I don't necessarily like fully see the news, but I saw it and I'm just like, okay, let's see if it happens. I'm like, there's a lot of stuff that like Trump will say, things that'll be said, and I'm like, well, my thing is like, it's all speculation until it happens. That's kind of my take. It's like all I kind of do is I'm like, interesting, and then I'm just like, okay, we'll see if it happens, and then if it happens, that's when I kind of like make my reaction. But it's like right now it's all speculation. All right, I just got here and I see you have my favorite shop on your list. So I have shop on my list. I just don't I don't trade it too much. There were times I've invested in it. I think this is my wife's portfolio. I think I got my wife in around like $25 on shop. Where is it? It doesn't have a crazy amount of shares, but I think she got in at like 25. So average cost 27.60. So yeah, we got like a good average on shop. It's just it's like I buy stuff like that whenever we have good levels. What's the difference between Goog and Google? So their prices are slightly different. They move exactly the same. Like if we look, we'll put Goog over here. I don't really like trading Goog. I prefer trading Google. But the difference between the two is just this is Google is going to be class A, and Goog is going. Oh, here, let me put them on the same time frame. And Goog is going to be class C, and the only difference between these are class A you get voting rights, whereas you don't get voting rights for the class C. But other than that, they're like the exact same, and their price is a little different. But yeah, if you look at the actual metrics, you can see they both have earnings in 13 days because it's the same company. Google gets more volume, so it's better to trade. It's going to be easier to get in and out of, but still going to be pretty easy to get in and out of Google as well. And yeah, you can see their market cap's the exact same because they're the same company. But yeah, once again, you can see the volume is a lot lower on Goog than Google. So, in my opinion, when it comes to trading, when it comes to owning, I don't even know why you would look at Goog over Google. That's just my kind of take on them. But I'm out at 10. Lick my wound. Oh, wounds. Okay, lost 7 on PLTE as well. Palantir, waiting on you tomorrow. This time for real. Hey, let's see. We'll see if the market has something for us tomorrow. I'll be ready tomorrow. I'm very annoyed by that SPY move. Very, very annoyed, but hey, we'll let it do what it does. Just headlines. Grump can't fire Powell. Yeah, that's kind of my understanding of it. Like he can't fire him, but like once again, it does have in the back of my mind. It's like, oh, did he figure out some kind of loophole? Did he figure out some kind of way? But it's like until then, it's all just speculation. He said because Powell is always too late, but he said he ain't gonna fire him. I bought a call at the dip of that news. On the Qs? Yeah, we'll see. Philip, I thought the same. Double down on whatever you were doing before you said it. Let's go Rocket Lab. Okay. Here, let me get rid of BBAI. Oh, yeah. Rocket Lab. Taking off like a rocket. Rocket Lab, rocket stock. Okay, I'm going to stay with Google. Yeah, I actually have a watch list. I think one of my watch lists on Moomoo, for some reason I have Goog and not Google, and I'll like see the price. And I'm like, yo, when did Google move like that? But it didn't. Because usually I know, like, I see Google enough to the point where it's like, I know where it was at. And I'm like, oh, it's up like that? I'm like, dang, I should have, it's time to take an entry on something. But it's not. Hold on, y'all. My wife sounds like she's constructing something. I'm just going to stick my head out this door. And I'm going to see if she's doing it right. And if she's not, I'm gonna give her a little, I'm gonna give her a funny little smile. And I'll be like, I'll help you later. But I'll be right back. I just hear her putting something together. Update. It would appear that she is properly constructing it. And it looks like we have some chairs for our table now. Roblox did great today. Let's see. They'd have to find dirt on Pal. Honestly, they could probably like fabricate some stuff with AI. But yeah, they'd have to, for real. Okay. They'd have to find something undeniable. I wouldn't want them to do that. Yeah, Roblox, oh my goodness. When was the last time I looked at Roblox? Dang. I think it was probably when it was around 70. What happened here? Roblox moving like that? Did they just... Their earnings is July 31st. Okay. What's their market cap? 80 billion. Okay, Roblox. All right. On the day of like 6%. Okay. I seriously had to get off the charts today. So many $500 setups, but I won already. Haven't experienced FOMO in a year. Hey, Nunette, to an extent, I know how you feel. Having to get off the charts. Hey, good afternoon. Roblox up 105% in 3 months. Yeah. Hey, I feel like people aren't talking about Roblox. That's kind of wild. Congrats to anybody that's been holding that sleeping giant. Or I guess it's not really sleeping. I feel like I remember like a time when I was working at when I was working at Amazon, you pick it up for like 25 or maybe even $15. Let's see. I guess it was about 25. Yeah, I had some coworkers that I did find some people that were in the stocks when I was working at Amazon. I think some of them have dropped in on this stream before. News. Grump denies Powell firing discussion. Bro, my question: where are people getting this? Like, are these just like headlines that are popping up for people? Honestly, he probably said it. And he's like, now, yeah, he's like, deny, deny, deny. That's kind of wild. All right, let's see. Roblox was 60 last time I seen it. Hey, right? Wow, you said this was Moomoo. Hey, Moomoo. I'll say Moomoo was on with it on the cool. Love their news. Let's see. Let me take a little looky loo at the Moomoo news. Republicans on the House Financial Services Committee are slated to meet with Powell. Trump will be live by the letter with Japan. We have some pretty good deals to announce. Trump. Another deal coming with India coming up, maybe. Reports on me. Okay, I see it. All right, let's see. Nvidia needs to push. Here, let's take a look at Nvidia compared to AMD on the day. Let's go to the 5. Get a little closer. I would say it's almost pushing better than AMD. Yeah, it's down less than, it's recovered better than AMD has. It's down less on the day, percentage wise. Adara from Trader TV Live told me my DJT knows. Okay. Yahoo. Okay. I still have one. I have one email that's at yahoo.com. I truly believe losing is really how you get better at analyzing what you do wrong. For real. Losing and not giving up. It's like failure is what I believe ultimately drives us to success. But failure is also something that I believe drives us to the ground as well. All right, so I see Derive just put out a scalp call on the SPY. So maybe we find some new life on the SPY. We'll see. Maybe we get another move up. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring this desk down. So I still believe that AMD can like go up, But if I were just trying to like trade like one direction and catch a move, and I were on a cash account, I would be out now. It's still up like 20%, but just calling out, if I were on a cash account and just trying to get like a move a day, I'd be out now. But I still want to like just kind of track this and see where this goes on Friday, because I feel like things are kind of like set up for it to do some nice things. Yo, we got Netflix earnings tomorrow. How we feeling about Netflix earnings? I'm gonna let y'all know I'm not trading it. That's some money right there. But just out of curiosity, how y'all feeling about it? Netflix, I think last earnings pushed it above 1K, and I've seen it reach like the 1300s. And now Netflix is, let's see, I think it's like 1260 something last I saw. Where's Netflix? It's kind of down there on my list. Oh yes, it's 1263. It got up as high as, yeah, it looks like it topped out at like 1342. And its last earnings, before its last earnings, oh, I guess it had reached like it had reached above that 1050 area beforehand, but I feel like it'll be good. They just released a new season. Yeah, I saw they released the new Squid Games. I don't even know how I felt about that. I heard a lot of people talking. Is Love Island on Netflix? Is that on Netflix? Their pricing annoys me. I don't even know how they're priced. That's like the subscription my wife pays for. But I know we got the one with the ads, so like on the cool. I personally myself don't necessarily, I don't think I necessarily justify paying for Netflix, but it's like something we do together, so it's cool. Love Island is Peacock. Yeah, I wouldn't even know. But I hear a lot of people talking about it right now. I see a lot of stuff on it. They also signed with Miss Rachel these past. Miss Rachel or Mrs. Rachel. Like Rachel Ray, Rachel. I don't even know another Rachel on the cool. I've been considering buying Carl's calls and puts on some earnings days. Is that a good? So if you do it on Netflix, I would usually do it whenever you expect a lot of volatility. So I would take a look at what it's pricing in. So here, let's see. Because sometimes an iron condor, like going out a little bit further past what it's pricing in, sometimes like selling an iron condor would actually be the better move. Let's see. Let me look at the earnings, and here, actually, we can look at it on here together and see. Oh man, it would be more accurate if we look at it tomorrow, but if we're looking at Netflix and we're trying to figure out what it's pricing in for its earnings, let's just assume today is tomorrow. So right now, this is kind of the at the money contract for the calls. So it's pricing in about a $42 move to the upside. So break even is like 1304. So here, let's take Netflix and then to the downside, let's see. What's it pricing at? So it's pricing in about a $41 mode. So to the downside, it's gonna be break-even is about 1122. Wait, did I say 1122? 1222. So if we were so if you bought a Netflix contract at the money and you were right now and you held it through earnings, in order for you to like see profit the next day, you would need it to at least move up about $40 or at least move down about $40. Otherwise, you're gonna lose money in this area due to the IV crush. So a lot of situations like this, like it already had this run of volatility up here. A lot of situations. I think best case scenario. Well, actually, I don't know. It's like it's been moving up strong. I would think it can move up, but if I were trying to be cheap and play one way, if we like somehow come into this 12-11 area and then buy up, I think that would be something. All right, let's see. OMG, she's a toddler learning show worth millions. Oh, okay. All right. Hey, that's like the Ryan dude with all the toys. What was it like Ryan's World? I bet he's probably old now. I'm gonna have to look it up and see. Ryan's World. Let's see. How old is he? Oh yeah, he's like grown. Oh, that's kind of weird. He's still making content. But yeah, I see something called Last Day of School. How old is he? Oh, he's only 13. Bro, that's insane. That is insane. Okay. The big thing is the deal with WWE and for Netflix. Oh yeah, that's money. At least UFC is trying to get a deal with Netflix. Netflix is extremely priced. Yeah, personally, like if my wife wasn't paying for it, I wouldn't have it. It's like I might buy it. Like no, actually on the cool, on the hush hush, I got websites where I would watch the shows I want to watch, but it's like I don't know. I will say I don't think I've been on those websites since I was in Portugal though. Tesla finally broke 320. That's cool. I don't think it's going anywhere, but that's cool. Oh, okay. Let's see if it can get above this. I guess 323. Think there's a little liquidity in that area, and above that is like oh. I guess above that it can come to the bottom side of this trend line. Netflix was, for example, because you happen to have brought it up. I can't. Oh no, yeah, yeah. Netflix is crazy. Netflix is crazy. But I have taken like $50 calls into like $2,000 calls on Netflix, and I think they may have been zero DTEs. It was either a swing from one day to the next, or it was a zero DTE. I'm not sure. I think it was a zero DTE, or a combination of both. I'm not sure. Sold a 310 put on Tesla so it can keep going up for a while if it wants. Hey, yeah, let's let it go. Let it go. T-Mobile pays my Netflix. See, I was looking at that. I was like, oh, let's see if I can justify like getting this plan. I'm like, I see they have Netflix on here, but even with it, like I was looking at all the things that were included with it and whatnot. I'm like, yo, I'm still doing better with this Mint Mobile. Cause T-Mobile a little bit expensive. I think it's cheaper if you have like a family. But I was still looking at it like I don't know, cause I was consider getting like extra lines, cause it's like my phone number now is like I don't know. I almost don't want it anymore. I only use it for verification, but I'm messages. But hold up. Did we get a new member? I see something about we got a new member. But I don't see anything telling me we got a new member. Well, to the new member, who it is not telling me is a new member, welcome. If you are a new member. But yeah. Hey, but one thing I will say about T-Mobile, they were a nice little home for a little bit when I initially left AT&T as a company, like for my mobile. They were a nice little company. They paid my phone off and everything. Do have family plan, and I've been with since 20 years. Let it great. Let's great, and now at T-Move. Oh, I know you definitely read that out loud, or read that to your phone, like you spoke that, or maybe to your Meta. Hey, I got my Meta shades on right now, or I didn't have them on, but I have them right here. Yeah, I got them right here with me. Yeah. Yeah. Gato. Hey, what's up? Hey, happy to have you. Oh, they're turned on. Let me turn off these, cause these Meta shades they're gonna start trying to talk to me. They're gonna be like, what? They're like, would you like me to do that? But yeah, welcome, Gato. All right, so we're pushing up more. Continuing to push up. Still a little, maybe next time with the SPY, it's like I had the balance. Maybe next time I get 2 contracts, or maybe I prepare for 2 contracts. It's like, okay, it's kind of, wait, where's my mouse? Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. Maybe next time I see it like chilling here looking like it may reverse. Maybe I get one just before, and then if it comes down and sweeps, it's like, okay, let me grab one more and do that before I bail, because if I did that, oh my goodness. Were you live yesterday? Yeah, I was live yesterday, same time. So right now we're going from about like 10:30 Central Time to about 1, or 11:30 Eastern Standard Time to about 2. I did get off a couple minutes early yesterday because my wife had like some food made, and she was like, yo, you better come get this food. So, when it's time to eat, it's time to eat. You said, miss, you didn't get the notification. Man, Netflix. Hey, if you enjoy these live streams and don't already, hey, be sure to hit the notification bell. I think it kind of has a. I think there's a. Usually when you click on the notification bell, there's like one that's like for some of them. There's a notification bell for like everything I post, and I guess the other option is like turn it off. But I don't know. It's like maybe it's either YouTube is slipping, which I have heard they do sometimes, or maybe you have the one where it's just like the sometimes, not the everything. And it's like, oh yeah, this isn't anything that serious. They're like, oh, he doesn't have enough likes, so we're not going to share this with more people. And then, yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to lean back a little bit. Cool. Just gonna lean back. Let me look at this spy call again. Just see what could have been. No, on the cool, I would have been out of that trade. I'm not. I wouldn't have rode unless I had like multiple contracts. YouTube definitely has its moments where it doesn't work right. Okay, found it. It wasn't set for everything. Oh, cool. Cool. Hey, well maybe you'll get the notification next time. Loving the healthy stair step on Rocket Lab. Let's turn it back up. Let's turn it on R. No, that's T. I keep doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Wait, what did I just have right here? Yeah, we can do that. Where'd it go? Oh wait, I just saw it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take these off. Okay. You're looking good. Looking very good. Looks like you making money on your live streams. Just got the first ad ever since I've been watching. Oh, let me slow that off. So I kind of do. It's nothing like serious though. Let me turn it to manual. Yesterday I accidentally like completely turned it off. I was like, man, it's like I like those little first click on ads, but I don't like to hit y'all with the ads like after. All right, earnings August 7th. Wait, I feel like with that, here, let's see. Raise the price target. I feel like I don't understand Rocket Lab well enough. Cause it's like I just look at the chart and I'm just like, yo, I see it going crazy. And I'm like, yo, let's short it. I'm like, yo, it's up here. I'm like, it's probably gonna pull back. That's just like a kind of impulsive thought, but I don't like understand the company deep enough to actually make a decision like that. YouTube's already trying to tell me, like, since I turned it to manual, it said now would be a good time to insert ads. Creators earn more money inserting ads the more viewers are watching. Give it a try. I'm chilling, YouTube. I'm chilling. Let's see. Up 132% in 3 months. Yo, bring back April 7th. Let me get some dips. Or let JP do some cuts. Like, let's get some big cuts and let it spook the market. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna turn this fan off. Right, I would buy all I could. Right. That would be the move. Shoot, I might take out some loans. What's I doing? Oh, I don't know if there's like any stocks I would. I don't know. One moment. Let me turn this off. Well, let me take a look at this little top fans thing. Oh, I see. Okay. D-Scurve in the number 2 spot today. Neely in the number 1. Okay, it shows main row. Who is? Let me see. Shows Big Red in number 3. Okay. Feel like I gotta sneeze. He said, take a break from typing and follow the 3 that quick. I don't know. Hey, it's a savage world out there. Hey, there you go. Oh, you said that was supposed to say dang. Hey, no worries. Sometimes autocorrect. Sometimes you got some people trying to make things sound a little worse. All right, AMD look like it might be a little break and retest, or it's either a break and retest, or it's actually let me see it on the 15. Or this might be this is the first one that would be completely outside on the 15. So maybe let's see if we retest. My autocorrect is very questionable most times. I see that one got you up to 2. Just like that. What are you considering on AMD if it holds 50? So just so you know, I already this is a watch list trade I took. So it came down, swept this liquidity from the morning, and like that was a good entry for a call. I would expect it to continue to make its way up to 156 by the end of the week. So with the AMD, what happened was picked up it expires this week. It was 90 cents per share when we added it. It's currently at a 111. Picked up a 157.50 call, and kind of came up here, went up like 40%, and that's where I probably would have got out if I was day trading. But I would expect the AMD to kind of like push up more. So it's like I wouldn't necessarily take another entry here, but I'm just kind of coming at it from like the perspective of a swing. Right now it's just it's above a it's above the little it's a rough trend line that I drew, but it's above that trend line at the moment. DGZ, good afternoon. I feel like it's been a minute, but good afternoon. No lurk song. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, yo. No lurk song. Gotta smash the likes. Didn't realize Roblox was. Hey, for real. Roblox. Yo, they took off, man. Like nobody's business. Got into the APLD yesterday. It expired. It expired yesterday. You mean you got stopped out, or like I didn't know it could expire, or at least on a not on a Tuesday. Anyhow, I'm still in today. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm going to wait. Oh, you got into the APLD. Huh? Hold up. All right, so AMD trying to move up. Let's see, APLD. Oh no, we're not switching that out. APLD on the cool. It may not happen today, may not happen this week, but it looks like it wants to push for upside on the cool. But yeah, if I had something for Friday, I'm not sure how I would feel about it. April, hello. All right, there goes AMD trying to push again. We still got what, like 10 minutes on this candle, but this might be the beginning of another push. What platform am I using? So if you're talking about like what you see right now, this is TradingView. Got a couple tutorials about it on my channel. Shireen, hello, welcome back. Yo, I feel like my body's trying to fall asleep right now on the cool. It's not trying to stay awake. My computer's working hard. I feel like that every day, but I also don't sleep well. When I win the battle with the battle for my side of the bed with my wife, I do. But when I let her take over, nah, it doesn't work. Got a king size bed, and she has like a solid like 80% of it a lot of the time. Sometimes I gotta make sure I'm like all spread out to try to like have her take less room. But yeah, when I make sure I have my space, it's all good. Like on the cool, I could probably just like get out and run to her side and have so much room. All right, we got AMD trying to push again. Yeah, it seems like the women always love the men's side of the bed. Yeah, I mean, it's probably a good thing. Probably a good thing, but not the best for sleep. Bit of a struggle. Oh, Big Red, I see you climbed your way back up to that top spot. Did you have a podcast this Friday? Just out of curiosity. Hey, Spy just jumped like insane. Hey. Yeah, I missed my trade today on it. It I know what to do tomorrow. If we get the setup tomorrow, hey, we're getting in there. Naomi wife gets 70%, you get 25. 5 is for hey, for real. That's it's kind of wild. It's uh it's a cold world out there. It's hard out there for a husband. Also, hey, one thing I know I see like I'll usually see like reels and stuff where people are like battling their wife for the blanket. I don't have to do that because I don't even want the blanket. I got like a little cooling blanket I use because it be getting too hot. He said no, no, no. I had to take a break. I was looking at the spy. Yeah, the spy. Hey, it's doing this thing. Hey, AMD's trying to do his thing too. Just like when I get into a car right when it wants to drop. Wait, what's dropping? What's dropping? Hold up. What's dropping right now? I see popping across the board. All right, AMD's back up to 40%. Spy's up too. I don't even want to look at that contract that I was looking at. I know it's in minimum is $284 per share. You said we use a cooling blanket. That's nice. Y'all are both on the same page with that. We got like a thick comforter or a duvet with the thick like the little duvet inside is like actually it's thick, and then we got like a cooling blanket on top of it, and I like pushed the comforter to her, and like yeah, I just use the cooling blanket. I get way too hot. My blanket is super. I'm assuming thin. My number one spot might be solidly. Hey, it might be. What do I think about Weeble? Are you talking about the platform, like the platform itself, or are you talking about the stock? Because if you're talking about the stock, it's like I think it'll have its run at some point. I don't think the run is now, but I think it'll have a run at some point. I got in the spy right when the spy dropped. Made my anxiety go crazy. You know, they say, what was I gonna say? They say if you're experiencing anxiety, hey, you're living ahead. You know, they say when you're thinking too much for the future, that's like when you're anxious. If you find yourself being depressed, it's usually because you're like thinking in the past. So it's like, you know, they say the answer is to you know, come back here to the present, be present. Um, yeah, just be present, be where you are, and you know, in those moments, it may be hard to be present and be where you are because there might be a lot going on or there might be a lot coming up. But as long as you're where you are, yo, that's kind of where peace is, kind of, because it's like yo, you're alive, you're breathing, and it's all good, all good. I struggle with it too sometimes, but or like the struggle with being present. But then I'm like, yo, I'm alive, I'm breathing, and yo, it's all good. Look at this buy pushing up, AMD pushing up. My goodness. I'm here to stay. Hey, I see you, Big Reg. Not thing thin. Fat fingers win every day for me. I suffer from wide hands and fingers as well. Why are we talking about large fingers now? What what did I say? What did I say to get us talking about fingers? I love that I do have bad anxiety actually other than the charts. No, yeah, it's like oh you said you said all right type okay. I'm like, okay. Oh, I got you. Fat fingers. Okay. Got you. Got you. Okay. I'm like, yo, what's going on? I'm like, yo, we talking about finger sausages now, but okay. All right. Cool. But yeah, I don't know, like one thing I do when I wake up is like I try to just wake up and I'm like think of everything I'm grateful or maybe not everything I'm grateful, but I try to think of at least like anywhere from 3 to 5 things I'm grateful for. Like just while I'm like waking up, I'm like, oh, I'm alive. I'm like, yes, thank you. I'm alive. I'm like, oh, my wife's there. She's breathing. I'm like, okay, that's another thing. It's like, oh, my legs work. Thank you. And it's like, okay. It's like, oh yeah, I got up. I'm winning today. So it's like, yeah, just like waking up, being present. And I'm like, then sometimes I look out the window. Most of the time it's kind of dark when I get up, but I'm like, yo, it's nice outside. Stuff like that. Yeah, you slide into your gratitude and you find yourself in a moment. It's like then you'll find that things that you used to find were I don't know, maybe subpar or boring or whatnot. You really start to appreciate it. And it's like, wow, the gravity or just the weight of me being in this moment, like, it's crazy. All right, I use Webull and Robinhood brokerages in unison. I like Webull's customer service and how quick you get in touch if you have questions. Interesting. I don't think I've ever tried to deal with their customer service. But I felt like Robinhood was pretty chill too with theirs. I feel like it's pretty quick too. But maybe Weeble's quicker. Oh, well, I said, because I said then, I got you. I got you. Facts, gotta thank God for everything positive. That's when you realize how little the bad is. Nah, for real. It's like, yeah, it's like when you slide in your gratitude, you know, it's like everything seems to melt away. It's like, you know, you can't serve two masters. So it's like you're not going to be happy and sad at the same time. That's like say someone passes away, not to take anybody to a negative place, but say someone passes away. You can be happy for the memories you had, or you can be happy that you had the memories, and you can be, I don't know, it's like whatever you focus on you'll get. Like you can be happy that you had the memories, or you can focus on the fact that you will no longer have any more. But it's like when you realize that, nothing lasts forever, it's like you enjoy the present a lot more. So it's like when you realize, like, hey, what I'm doing, this might be the only time I do this. This might be the last time I do this. It's like, wow, yo, let me sit here. Let me enjoy this. Every day I come here, hop on the stream with y'all. Yo, it's truly a gift. It's like it's cool. I remember. Yo, let me look at how much. Let me see how much I make streaming on the cool. Let me see. There was a point when like a single dollar online was like I was focused on getting like just $1 online. The last 28 days, I think my stream revenue has gone down. I think like it's just like the ad revenue, the time of the year and whatnot. But the last 28 days, I have made $222.24 just live streaming. So it's like, hey, it's it's cool. It's like, yo, I think I don't know. It's just crazy. Honestly, I never really saw myself live streaming on the cool, but here we are. Kilo Hotel. Hell, I think you lost. You released your 3 goats in the chat. Nah, I appreciate you. If I could like that comment, I would. Yeah, it'd be kind of clean if we could like comments. Okay. Yeah, so we're moving up. Looking good. Looking pretty good. Spy, wow. That's crazy. All right. Yeah, that's crazy. Once again, basing this liquidity on the 4-hour, it didn't. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. It didn't like actually sweep that liquidity, so that liquidity might still be in play. I think it's still in play on the cool. So it's like next time if it wants to come down here again, like we might get another move up. So maybe we get another go at it tomorrow. But yeah, like taking a look at this liquidity right here, it's like I would expect it to go to like about 626. So it's like right now we're still like consolidating in a range. Like we're still in this kind of, yeah, we're still in this range. And it's like, I don't know. Crazy thing is most of my friends, including the guys I do my show with, I met them all on YouTube. Oh, that's crazy. Like, did you meet them in the comments? Did you meet them like how you meet them on YouTube? Wondering if PDD is about to move into, I mean, we can take a look at it. What time frame are you looking at PDD on? Oh, it's in a very tight range. Yeah, let me know what time frame you're looking at. We can do some analysis. Cause on the cool, I'm probably not taking anything today. I missed the trade I wanted. It would have been chill if I took that trade on AMD though. Would have been chill. So I'm back broke even on APLD calls. It clearly says um, August 25th call 100. Oh well, it's July. So if it's August 25th, you still got like a month. Yeah. So M sense I would double check that. Like if it says August 25th, you got a month on that contract because it's July. Let's see. We met in other YouTube comments, and us and the people we were watching all form. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I started making videos on YouTube to kind of build a community because, when I dropped out of nursing school, it's like, oh, I don't think any of my friends are into investing or anything like that. So let me get on this. Let me find other people. And I remember the first person, like outside of myself and my family, to comment on my YouTube videos. This dude named Jeff. Still like, still will catch him from time to time. Bro, let's see. 56 like, I think we should stay out of Alcatraz with less than 100 to get. Yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, we're getting adjusted. I'm gonna have to build the hype again. I met a lot of people on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok seems easy to meet people. It's like I don't even like I have like a couple posts on TikTok. They're very random, but yeah, it's like yeah, TikTok's different. Like and then like people like certain people who want to grow, they feel like they have to like comment on other people's stuff, so they're trying to do it so they can grow. So it's like oh hold on, my wife's talking to me about lunch. Let's see. Yeah, but TikTok seems like a good way to meet a lot of people, and it's like TikTok puts me on to a lot of spots I don't even know exist. I'm like TikTok's cool like when it comes to like getting like knowledge and information. All right, let's see. The puts are fairly cheap. I put a long one in for November 17th, 100. Yeah, let's see. November 17th, let's see. Wait, that's October 17th, my bad. I'm trying to check the. I don't. Oh, Penduo Duo is in like a weird range. So it's like it's very well possible for it to go there, but it's like trading as sideways can get. So they have earnings in 2 weeks. That will likely be the catalyst to move it somewhere. So yeah. All right, I'm randomly dyslexic. Wow, I was going crazy thinking about it. Thank you for a new set of eyes. Now that you know that, what are your thoughts on it? Um, Okay, so APLD calls. It says 15. Okay, so what's the 100? Like, is it $100 strike? What's the 100? What's the strike price you got on the AM or on the APLD? Would be my question. Green Wave, salute to you. Hey, trying my best. Salute back. Here's a salute back to your salute. Yeah. No longer a lurker. Thumbs up. Hey, appreciate it. Appreciate you, Philip. Hey, if you don't do it on the way in, at least do it on the way out. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day, Philip. Let me throw this hoodie on. Yes, everybody, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do that. Oh, look at AMD. Still going. Oh, 62%. Yeah, good swing. So we got the first move for the day trade, and then for the people swinging it, hey, it's doing its thing. Not sure why it says 100 on the Weeble, but Robinhood, it's a $13 call. Okay. And it expires August 25th. I think it has potential. I think it has potential. Like, I wouldn't like that's not one I would like watch closely. That's one I'd probably have to like leave alone and just kind of let it do its thing, and then it's like, oh, dang, it jumped up. But yeah, I think it has good potential. Like, you get one company have earnings, and then it be a related company, and yeah, that'll do good, or it can do well. That's the one I bought yesterday, along with the share. So cool, I don't mind letting it ride. I need to, anyhow, for eventual content. Oh yeah, yeah. I like the sound of that, incense. Like the sound of it. People love something they can follow. Speaking of that, hey, I got a lot of stuff I need to edit, but I don't feel like editing. It's a cold world, cold world. It's like if I exercise, I don't feel like editing. Let me see what the last video I got out was, whether it was like week 7 or week 8. I think it was week 7. Oh, was that week 6? Oh no, we got out week 7. Oh, I got a video that I like recorded. I hadn't even like published it. Forgot about that. I don't have a thumbnail though. Okay, so I got a video just like waiting on y'all. Cool. Let's see. Editing is the worst. I actually like, well, nah, It's like I like editing, but I like editing for more fun stuff. Um, when the stock stuff, it's like I want to share this information, but nah. But like if I were doing like a I don't know like a vlog or something, it's like oh yeah, that can be fun. It's like when I have time, which is actually less so than it would seem like I have. But yeah, it can be. Um, I might need to make this more of a business where I can like have someone do it for me. My only thing is like getting over that hump of like, oh, this is how I would do it. I'm trying to get a few videos ready to go so when I release, I have ammo while making new videos. Could you suggest any long-term contracts right now? The market seems jittery as we could expect. Some tariff news and earnings. I lost almost three. So one that I love, I feel like it can get cheaper, but one that I added to my watch list that I love, that I think will do well. Where is it? It's this UNH call right now. So I'm probably already down like 200 or so on it. So yeah, I'm down like 198 on it. But this is a UNH 360 call that expires, I think, in January maybe. Let's see. Oh no, it expires July 17th of 2026. So almost a year from today. And the whole thesis behind this trade. I will say I could see this potentially going down to like the actual stock going down to 250 before that goes higher, but I still think it's a really good one. All right, so let's see. Where is it? But I'm not a financial advisor. There's no financial advice, but the thesis behind the trade, we had this whole pullback. We pulled back to a demand zone and we bought up from that demand zone up to like the 300 area. We kind of made our first high. We made our second high. So we're going to have to retest it. But now that we've left this liquidity in the demand zone, it's like whenever we come back to this level, whenever we come back to this, I guess 248.40 area, that's when you pull out the big guns, because that'll likely, like on the weekly chart, that'll likely be when we get volume like this again. So that's kind of that's money move I'm watching and waiting for. Money move I'm watching and waiting for. And I chose the 360 strike because that was the like I didn't want to spend more than 3K on it, but I think I had pulled out this Fibonacci tool to see kind of like the first kind of pullback level. And it's like, oh, it can go to 423.09 up to like 466. It will make eventual new highs, but or at least eventually take out this like 600 area. But I don't necessarily want to hold it that long. So like looking at it, if we were to simulate this contract, looking at it getting to like that 430 area I was just looking at. So if it's at 430, if it got there today, it'd be like up $8,000 on $3,000, a $3,000 contract. But like say it takes to the end of the year, that's still like $6,500 on a contract I put in for $3,500. And then on top of that, if I'm in a margin account, I can sell calls against my call. So that's it. So I like UNH, but I do think it can pull back more first. Hi Matthew, do you have a financial investment trading? What do you mean by that, Levi? When you say financial investment trading, or when you say do I have a financial investment trading? Like do you mean like am I using my money for these trades, or I don't fully understand what you mean by that. I also see that the comment is from like 8 minutes ago. A platform. Do I have a trading platform? Like I don't have my own platform. It's like I use Moomoo. I use Robinhood. Um, Probably gonna start using Weeble here pretty soon too. Here and there, just to allow myself to make more trades too. Is IWM struggling here? Right now, yeah, it looks like everything's still kind of in a range. I love Weeble, big fan. Um, how good is Moomoo? I hear they're doing 5% gains now. So Moomoo, they wait 5% gains. Uh, I know Moomoo pays you on your uninvested cash. They pay that pretty well. But beyond that, I don't know. Like like I think Moomoo when you first sign up, they'll give you like 8, somewhere around like 8. I think it's like 8.1% on all your uninvested cash. It might have dropped to what is it? Like possibly 5, but I know they have like whatever their intro is solid. Let me see. Here, let me check and see. Let me go to my page and like click on the link and see. Cause I definitely have a link like on the front of my page. I think. I don't know. I guess I don't. Definitely have it in my description though. I think. Let's see. All right. So yeah. If we look right here, so it looks like right now they're doing up to 60 free stocks and the 8.1 APY on all invested cash. And let's look at the terms. So this is going to the end of the 31st. Okay, so with the 8.1 APY, what is this? Oh, it looks like it's 12 months. So that's a year of that. And I feel like it's like, I think it might be 5% after the first 12 months, but yeah, it's solid. It's solid. You said I may have to add them. I've only been hey, their news and like the AI stuff on there. I hadn't even talked about the AI stuff on there yet. It's like I've been noticing features on there. I'm like, oh, dang, okay. I'm like, all right, Moomoo. I'm like, okay. I'm like, they're trying to establish their kind of establish their dominance again. Let's go AMD and Google. Hey, quick check on the AMD. Hey, it's up 57%. Let's go. Let's get it. And then Google. Let's look at Google. Let's see how Google's doing. Okay, Google's still at that resistance. I think it needs to come on and like go through it, but Webull is offering 20 shares. Are they fractional? Because Moomoo, it sounds like Moomoo is trying to pay a lot for acquisition. It's crazy. Just hit a level of resistance at 411. Wait, okay, okay, I missed your last comment. You said cat. They don't get too much volume, it doesn't look like. Well, their actual chart looks alright, but like just looking at like 30 days, 2.5 million. But okay, so resistance at 411. They're closer to being overbought. This isn't a stock I really have history with, so I'm not fully sure. It's like it's at a level of resistance though, so I would say it's valid. It's not one I would personally take just because this isn't one I've like really watched before, but I would say it's valid to like short it. You said people are sleeping on Webull, I'm telling you. I don't think Webull is slept on. It's like I think a lot of people use Webull. It's like I used to use Webull. I think Webull is solid. I just like stopped using them because they like did me dirty. But it's like, I might start using it again over that because they do have things I would like to do. Robinhood on ever offers 1 share. So if you want shares for free, it's Moomoo and or Webull. I mean, I would say like all of them. Honestly, it's like me personally, I get them all. But yeah, let's see. Fractional, wish they were whole shares. Robinhood, when you used to sign up, you wouldn't, like back in the day, Robinhood, you wouldn't have to even make a deposit, and they would still give you a free share, like an entire share. Most of the time, it'd be something cheap, but it's like I had friends that actually got like shares of Meta or shares of Apple when they signed up with my link on Robinhood. Now it's just like $5 of a fractional share. It's like, you just get $5, but it's still cool. Yeah, it definitely adds up. You said, I mean, like the Reddit crowd. Weeble did you dirty? Yes, so dirty. They did me so dirty. They turned off my like live options quotes, and I was like, I spotted a trade on Meta. This was probably like maybe like 2 years ago. Wait, hold up. Maybe like 3 years ago actually. But yeah, they turned off like my live options trades and stuff. Or like my live options, not live options trades. They turned off my live options like quotes. So like the prices of the options were like 15 minutes behind, and I spotted a trade on Meta. I'm like, oh, this thing is about to run. And it's like I could have taken like, I don't remember exactly how it was, like where it started, but I could have made like a solid like 2K that morning had I like seen the quotes properly. But like I saw the price, I was trying to put in at the price, and I'm like, yo, the price of the thing's not moving, like the price of the options aren't moving, but the price of the stock is. I'm like, yo, did I get filled? I'm like, why am I not up? And I'm sitting there like I'm legit just sitting there. I'm like, when is it gonna tell me my order went in? And like, cause it's like I don't see the option price moving, and then like 15 minutes later, it's like the price adjusts, and it's like I, Meta is already up like over $1,000 the contract, and it's like, oh well, I'm not chasing that now because most of the move has been made. But it's like, bro, it's wild. So they did that, and then later they told me, like they sent an email saying, all right, you no longer have the ability to see to see the live options quotes. And it's like, oh, maybe if you told me that beforehand, that could have been avoided. But it is what it is. All right. I use Webull and Robinhood. Just hate to pay for the options data. Yeah, Robinhood is free. No, yeah, I don't like to either. But like one thing I like to do is like even if you don't see the live options quotes, you can still like get your orders filled live, but it's kind of dumb that they don't show you the prices live. So it's like if you're watching the price somewhere else, you can still get your price filled. So like I forgot how to do it, but you can look at options pricing on Trading View now too. So if I'm looking at it on Trading View, I can just put the price order in for whatever I want. You said SPY snoozing. Yeah, I would say like all the movement that I was trying to catch today, there might be like one more solid move today, but I'm definitely not going to catch it today. So it's like everything that I would have looked for to happen, it's kind of come to where I wanted it to, like for the day. So if we get another move, I mean there might be another move today, but that's kind of chill. Use Matthew's links for whichever we don't have. Yeah, the freebies used to be. Yeah, they definitely did. Oh, that happened to. Oh, that happened to you too. Yeah, they changed it a while back to where you have to subscribe to get live options. No, yeah, it was very annoying for me personally. I mean, it's like I understand they do have to pay for that, and they're trying to like reduce their costs, but it's like the way it was communicated was poor. Weeble did me wrong. Still have an account, just don't trade on. I guess I technically still have my Weeble accounts too. I just haven't traded for them. Hood and Moomoo for me. Yeah, it's like even when I go to like get on Weeble, I'm not gonna use the. I don't think I'm not gonna pay for the little subscription thing. I'm gonna just look elsewhere. I'll just have my slower trades on Weeble. But you said Weeble did you wrong too. That's wild. Yeah, I would have been extremely upset in the moment. Oh yeah, I was. I definitely was. I remember I was like sitting on the stairs at my parents' house, like looking at my phone. I'm like trying to watch. I'm like, oh yeah, let me get this money real quick. And I'm like, yo, I'm still sitting here on these stairs. Oh, same situation. That was crazy. Henry said, "Are we still live?" Yeah, we're still live. We'll be here like another 25 minutes or so. Yeah, we're just here chilling though. It's like if you have any questions about anything like I guess trading wise or want to analyze anything, I would say it's a great time for it because I am not on the lookout for anything else right now. I'm as like we caught the stuff that was going to move pretty early, and then we kind of let it go. Planning to start trading options with 5K. Not being greedy or expecting any quick miracles. I just wanted to ask if you offer any kind of support or guidance with trades. I need to like stick to something. I might understand you're not a financial advisor, but was wondering if you could have ongoing interactions with you or work with you in some way on this. On the cool, I probably need to get like some kind of group or something together. Like it's like I would say like trading wise, like live, it's like I still like the live streams, but like my thing is I just need like a time that I can be consistent at that will work for people. That's why I haven't done anything like that yet. It's like I would like to, Anil, but I really just need to kind of go in on something. What is a good time frame to buy leaps? Like, are you talking about how much time to get on it? If it's a leap, I usually try to get like a year on it. So, like right now, if I'm getting leaps, here, let's see. Like we were looking at this UNH call. If I were trying to get a leap on Netflix, I'm definitely not because I don't have the price. Oh, and no, it doesn't come across the wrong way. You're all good. So if I were trying, I probably either look at the. I guess Netflix doesn't have really enough time for it, but I'd be looking at June 18th. Usually looking as close to getting 365 days as possible. Week time frame to see. Oh, yeah, I would either look at the weekly or monthly. But nah, Anil, it doesn't come across the wrong way. I think so. We have a Zoom call like next Wednesday. Right now, that is kind of the closest thing to like mentorship or guidance I have at the moment. How does a call on silver? How to participate in a Zoom call? So here, let me show y'all real quick. So if y'all want to participate in a Zoom call, turn your notifications on for everything. Like turn on like all like click on the notification bell down below and turn it on because let me see. Real quick, let me show you. Let's go to. All right, so if we come over here and look at kind of the post I have on my channel. So I have like the post I put out every morning for like just the members, but where is it at? Right here, you can see the last one we had was last Wednesday. We're not having one tonight. We have them every 2 weeks. I got the link here. Just a heads up, we'll have a Zoom call tonight. And here's like the Zoom invite link. It says Matthew Emanuel has invited you to a scheduled Zoom meeting. And it's like, yo, we got 10 likes. But it's like, this wasn't even members only. This was like the whole channel right here. So like anybody, I guess anybody who saw this in time, they had the opportunity to like kind of hop in on the Zoom call. All right, let's see. So once again, you said, how does a silver $24 call for September 19th look in your opinion? 24, is it a $24 call? I mean, it's kind of already, did you mean 34? Yo, I'm so hungry. I'm about to have to eat. Adequate time. Nice delta. The theta is like it loses like a little over a cent a day. Like, so honestly, like the numbers look good on the actual contract. It's kind of in an uptrend. I personally am of the belief like it looks like the market's getting ready to pull back. So to me, that seems solid. It's already pulled back enough over here to where it can like run up. I think it's a good kind of protection kind of play. Mine are a year ahead to avoid cap gains taxes, and that's one way to look at it. What do I think of Joby? So I think this is one of the many stocks that kind of go crazy. It kind of overwhelms me a little bit, the amount of stocks in different places that things go crazy. So I think there is potential here. It's just like I'm not able to really follow it close enough to capitalize. I mean, it's doing well. I might have to look at this on a higher time frame. All right, so one thing I would be aware of is just like there is some liquidity at this 117 or this 1709 area on the weekly. So with that, I might kind of just take that, add an alert there, and maybe consider like I wouldn't necessarily like try to ride it like too far, but like if it comes up here and it hasn't like pulled back to this right now it's looking like this 1376 area. If it hasn't pulled back to the 4-hour 13 EMA before that, I might try to take a short to the 4-hour EMA, but it's good. Squeeze the charts. What you look for. Kevin trades. What do you mean by that? Levi, you're welcome, and you're welcome. And Henry, you're welcome as well. Oh, my wife said something. Oh, yeah, I'll be right back again. got multiple people. All right, let's see. I'm gonna lose some money on SPY today, but it's not bad. I took a risk and it backfired. Did you try to grab a short at a point? It's like there might be an opportunity for a short. I don't know. Be blessed. Peace out. Fly out tomorrow for the US. Hey. Kava. Yo, I might have to have me some kava today. Just in honor of these curves coming out. Hey. Yeah, I hope all goes well on the flights and all that good stuff. I hope they give you the good kava. Don't go to the one in Frisco. There might be multiple in Frisco, but there's one in Frisco that's like, yo, it's not up to par. Yeah, safe travels, D Scurv. All right. Just doing one last little overview scan for the day of my watch list. See if anything's like jumping out. Anything I need to keep in the back of my mind for the day. Yo, what is this? Got all these tabs open. Oh, he might be off by now, but I tried to scalp the SPY today, was in the money, took too long to pull the trigger, and instead I got scalped. George, I'm sorry, George. The way you said that, I'm sorry, it made me laugh a little bit. But this is, I feel like it's happened to all too many of us. It's happened to me. It happens to me a lot. But we just gotta find out how we can be on it. Hey, I'm glad the laughter is mutual. I'm glad we know how to laugh at ourselves. But wow, honestly, just the delivery on that, I'm like, wow, yeah. You said instead I got scalped. That's wild. Okay. Just a few times, Big Reg. Hey, let me get like Big Reg, man. Let me get like Big Reg. Needed that laugh. Wow. It'd be cool if we could like give like little awards in the chat. That's all right. Let's see. Hey, Big Reg in the top spot. Okay. Okay. Oop! I almost accidentally hit that end stream button. Wouldn't have even got to say goodbye. All right, AMD still trying to do his thing. Yeah, it's been pretty solid and consistent this whole time. It's up like 63%. That's cool. Scout, man, I know the feeling. Wounds still have not healed from today. On the same boat too. Thought of scalping and SPY, but that big red candle got me. What big red candle? Was it like this morning? Oh wait, that's AMD. Are you talking about this morning? Wait. Yeah, like right before we got in or got on stream, his circle's topping here. All right, man, I got scalped by Circle. Where's Circle? I got a contract that expires in 2 days, and I'm still in it, and it was a put. Unless dang, that's a round entry. So unless Circle wants to fall, like I don't know if Circle wants to fall the opening price by the end of the week. Yeah, I got scalped by Circle too. Oh yeah, yeah. Anil, that's a big part of the reason why I've started why this stream starting later. If I'm not mistaken, you're the one that asked for the like kind of the ongoing interactions. Okay, so yeah, I see it was you. So I would say like I would honestly say this is probably a good way to kind of do things with me. You can like run things by me. Uh, I will share my honest opinion. It's like if you like, hey, I want more time. That's cool. But it's like I have made the decision like while I'm here doing things. It's like I'm what is it? I'm gonna leave the first like 2 hours of market open alone, and it's like I just missed that. Like I came in on this candle right here. I'm like, okay, hold on, let me wait. And then this setup was here. It's like I was looking at a contract that was like 73 cents per share. That contract's now at least $3 per share. And like even when it rode to the first place I was looking at it had ran up to like 260. I said that wrong. It was 41. Oh, 41. Okay. Let's see. 41. Okay, so the delta is 11. I mean, the theta's really low. Yeah, that changes things a little bit. I mean, I guess it depends on how far you're looking for it to go. Wait, how much is it? It's like 25. I don't know. I'm not sure if I love that because look, you need like looking at this, the delta is like a little under 12. So if you get a $2 move today, that'll take you to like 36, which is like over here. And I mean, you have time, but like the higher it gets, the more. Oh, I guess it depends on what you're targeting. It's like I would say if I were looking for it to make a $2 move like really fast, then I like that, but I would like that, but it's like if it's not like anything that you're looking at to happen faster, that 11 cents per share, I don't know. It's like I feel like there might be other kind of deals. Like say if we were trying to look for a 25-cent trade, I feel like there are other opportunities that would arise. My first day trading, I got beheaded for about 500, but dang, throwing in 500 on the first, okay. Luckily, I recovered that plus more on my next trade, but it still hurts. I'll be jumping for joy, man. All right, AMD has ran its initial target, so I would say this trade is now like kind of complete. I still feel that it can keep pushing, but the target that I was like initially looking for, it's been hit. So just saying that. AMD has gone and done its thing. I hear voices. Alright, so the real question is, am I about to edit this video? Actually, I got 2 videos I need to edit. Or am I about to take a nap? Oh, look at AMD. It's still trying to push. Still trying to push. But it's done, did the thing. Alright, so let's start wrapping it up now. So, family, I would like this time to say, here, let's start off by saying this. Dang, lost my number 2 spot as well. Hey, yeah, we had some fighters in here. But yeah, let's start off by saying, if you are interested in being notified when the stream goes live, when there are potential Zoom calls and whatnot, which it'll be next Wednesday. But if you're interested in that, be sure to turn on your notifications. Like, click the like bell and do all notifications. That'll notify you of it anytime I post something on YouTube. Beyond that, what was I going to say? Beyond that, I would like to take this time to say, hey, appreciate you, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope if you're in any trades that each and every one of them go your direction. I hope you have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Big Red. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, George. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Anil. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, Naomi. Did you know YouTube doesn't do... Oh, they don't? Nah, I didn't. I don't know how we're going to get those out then. That's kind of whack. Yeah, that's whack. Okay. Peace out, Levi. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, Uni. Peace out, Kevin. Yo. Oh, yeah, peace out. Yo, please subscribe. Yeah. Dare you to come be my 11th sub. Yeah, hey. Yeah, M-Sense is there. If you want to support the family, M-Sense has a YouTube, the new 100. Peace out, Natasha. I'm trying to make sure no other names roll through. But if I miss you, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because I clicked off too early. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Hey, rolling on out now. Hey, we'll get back at it tomorrow. Same time, 10:30 Central Time. Yes. Catch y'all.